NVIDIA is going to hit $250. Yes, you heard that right. And if your first reaction is to roll your lazy eyeballs thinking, nah, impossible, then congratulations. You're exactly the type of brain-dead zombie this world of trading is littered with. This isn't a friendly campfire story. This is TRAXING. And if your fragile feelings can't handle a few sharp words, there's the door. Close it gently behind your broke dreams. We're diving into NVIDIA and why you're probably too blind, too slow, or too distracted watching dancing TikToks to realize what's unfolding in front of you. This is not a stock. This is a financial nuke. And if you're not paying attention, you'll be the one standing there in financial radiation, wondering why your wallet's melting, while others are stacking profits like Lego bricks. Let's not waste time. Because guess what? Time is exactly what most of you idiots are wasting on useless Reddit debates or parroting headlines you don't even understand. NVIDIA is not just a company. It's a monster. A cold-blooded chip-eating AI monster with profit margins fatter than your third plate of fast food. Its latest earnings? Oh, just a casual 114% year-over-year revenue growth. Like doubling your income while you still whine about rent going up. Let's do some basic math that even the laziest of you can understand. $130.5 billion in revenue, $22 billion in net income. ROE? A blood-boiling 119%. That's not just good, that's a slap-your-mama level of profitability. Still not impressed? Then you're either numb or allergic to money. Which is it? NVIDIA's PEG ratio is sitting at 0.73. That's right, below 1, which in adult trader terms means this beast is still undervalued despite dominating 95% of the AI chip market. Do you even get what that means? It's like buying a Lamborghini for the price of a used scooter because the seller doesn't realize what they've got. And yet you're still waiting for a pullback. Pullback from what? Your own stupidity? Let's assume for one delusional second that you have eyes and a functioning frontal cortex. NVIDIA is the reason data centers don't cry themselves to sleep every night. Their GPUs are the crack cocaine of the AI world. Every big tech firm is begging for more. Every government is watching them. Even Elon Musk probably has their chip logo tattooed somewhere inappropriate. The US tried banning exports to China? Ooh, scary, right? Nope, not really. Because demand outside China is enough to drown in. And if that $50 billion Chinese market gets unlocked again, boy oh boy, say goodbye to your bear thesis. It'll age worse than your Twitter hot takes. Let's talk about that price. Currently sitting at $113.86. That's a joke. That's the pre-party. The forecast? We're aiming at $250 by end of 2025. Yes, 250. You want to bet against it? Cool. Just know you'll be eating instant noodles while TRAXING subscribers are popping champagne bottles with their gains. We've run the numbers, we've torn the ratios, we've checked the volumes. Analysts are basically throwing roses and screaming strong buy like teenage groupies. 34 analysts are screaming buy, only one sad, lonely soul says sell. Probably someone who still trades using dial-up internet. Let me guess, you're one of those, but what if the market crashes types? Newsflash, if you wait for perfect conditions, you'll wait forever. Markets move, with or without your overthinking. You think NVIDIA gives a damn if you're unsure? No. It's stacking wins, it's printing money, its operating cash flow is over $64 billion. That's not liquidity, that's a financial tsunami. Meanwhile, you're crying about a 2% red day. Get a grip. And don't even bring up, but it's too expensive, unless you want to look like a complete fool. Expensive compared to what? Your dead-end savings account giving you 0.01% interest while inflation is sucker-punching your buying power? That's your alternative? Wake up. You're trying to analyze a beast with a toddler's calculator. Let me tempt you real good. Imagine you hold even 100 shares at this price, and this monster goes to $250. That's over $13K in your pocket, just for not being a coward. Imagine flexing that while your coworker still brags about buying coffee with points. This isn't even high risk, it's high reward. Optimism rating, 85%. That's not hopium. That's statistical conviction based on fundamentals, technicals, and market momentum. And if you're still not in, you're probably the kind of person who buys at the top, sells at the bottom, and blames their cat. So what do? We don't wait. We don't pray. We execute. You get in, you ride the damn wave, and you keep your hands off the panic button. Because TRAXING doesn't teach you to be a sheep. We teach you to be a financial predator. No, not in the shady Forex scammer way. Real strategy, real analysis, real returns. And no, this isn't some motivational, you can do it garbage. Most of you won't. Most of you are too soft, too slow, or too distracted. But a few of you, the smart, angry, sarcastic, no-nonsense ones, you're going to crush it. You're going to make so much noise that even your accountant's going to ask what the hell you're doing right. Remember, everything you heard here is designed to be rude, to cut deep, to piss you off on purpose. Because sugarcoating never made anyone money. And if that offends you, then good. That means we hit a nerve. And nerves lead to action. So what now? You either subscribe to TRAXING and keep absorbing the kind of content that actually wakes your brain up from its financial coma, or you go back to watching cat videos and being a broke legend in your own mind. Your choice. But don't you dare say nobody warned you. Don't say you didn't see this coming, because it's right here, screaming in your face, dripping in sarcasm, coated in truth. This is TRAXING. We don't do fluff. We do fire. Get in or get left. Now sit with all this. Let it burn a little. Maybe even bruise your ego. Because after this, if you still don't move, then maybe this game was never meant for you. But if it clicks, you'll never see stocks the same way again.